DFM checks help you make sure your design can be manufactured, and rule checks are only as good as they are easy to use. Managing DFM rules is easy in the same constraint manager you're already familiar with. Extensive design for manufacturability rules coexist with all other design rules in the constraint manager. In total, there are over 2,000 checks available. Adding a new rule is easy. Just find the constraint set and create a new rule. Then, choose where to apply the rule in your design from the design section. Rules can be applied to conductor layers, solder masks, cover lays, and silk screens, or even non-layer specific like board cutouts and aspect ratios. Let's look at an example using board to through-hole aspect ratio. If the board is too thick or the drill bit is too small, the board cost will increase. For this design, we need an aspect ratio of 10. Adjusting the board thickness isn't something that you can easily do at the end of your design, so it's important to get that aspect ratio right from the start. Don't let complex manufacturability rule checkers be yet another source of trouble. Quickly and easily manage DFM rules with Constraint Manager to ensure the manufacturability of your designs.